If you're wondering what prune means on your Bush DAB radio, it simply means that if it's on, it's going to be removing stations that are no longer transmitting or have moved frequency. While if you've got it off, it's not going to do that. So even if they've moved, they're still going to be under here when you have the scan. So if we were to hold down this menu button here for a few seconds, it will bring up this one here, and then we can move next and previous to scroll through. So you can go through like that, or you can go the other way. And if you have a look, if we go to prune here and go hit snooze select, then you can see at the moment it's on no, or you can move it to yes. And that's it. So that's how you turn prune on or off, and then you can just go back here as normal by just holding down the menu button for a few seconds. So that's what prune means on your Bush DAB radio. Thanks for watching.